everybody, it's Harry from Spaghetti Barbecue, the YouTube channel that teaches you how to master barbecue so you can spread barbecue love. As you can see, I'm trudging to the airport again. This is gonna be the airport in Midland, Texas. Just got landed here and heading over to see Junior Urias, and we're gonna go be cooking up a storm. He's gonna be featuring Junior Urias Day, where we're gonna be cooking a whole hog, a whole goat, some brisket pastrami, homemade sausage, and some duroc ribs, and we're gonna be serving it tomorrow on Saturday to the crowd and the public and the VIPs for $30, I think, a plate for all you can eat. So come join me for this ride. We're gonna not only hang out with some great people like Junior and some of the YouTubers coming from around the country, but we're also going to be able to play with Junior Urias' pit. You guys know me that I have very modest equipment in Los Angeles, but here I get to play with some of Junior's pits, including the famous JR Manufacturing boiler, which is a super duper $30,000 rig. He's also got a couple of Myron's water smokers, so we're gonna get to play with that too. It's gonna be a super fun weekend, so come along for the ride. All right, good to see you.
Man, how are you,
man?
dude?
Happy to be here.
Good seeing you, man.
Okay. Alright, we're back in Junior's restaurant here in Midland, Texas, and we're going to show you guys the home away from home. Hello everyone! How are you guys doing? Oh, so far so good.
Alright, my name is Quentin, and, well, Urias of course, but my dad, he owns Up and Smoke Barbecue. I've been doing it ever since I was a little kid. Done caterings with him, with my mom, my sister, my grandma, and whenever I do work now, I have to do the sides or whatever he wants me to do, and it's pretty fun.
And Harry, I'll tell you what, this guy can cut a chicken like no other.
Hi, I'm Mackenzie. I'm the Pitmaster's daughter.
Pitmaster's daughter.
Hi, I'm LARIOT. I'm the niece. This is my cousin.
Cousin. So, does he make you guys work really hard?
I've been working for him for a while, so yes, he does.
She's my meat cutter, Harry.
Huh? Your meat cutter?
She's right now she's washing dishes, but
Yes.
I'll tell you what, don't let her fool you. This girl can cut meat with any guy, any day.
Okay. See, this is what happened with your family business. That's always good, right?
Yeah.
Grandma checks the plates as they come through.
Right.
Then I come over here and on the ticket I call their name, I open my window and holler at them.
Okay, that's what
And
you
they
do.
come and get it.
All right.
That's all I do.
Jennifer is the hardest working spouse in barbecue, right? So,
Yes, for
so,
sure.
so when you married Junior, did you imagine that your life would be like this?
No.
You thought you would have a quiet life, but Junior has taken you on a whirlwind ride. Is that whirlwind?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And tomorrow is a special day,
Very special day.
and we're gonna be cooking food for how many you think?
You know, I don't know. I mean, I'm thinking maybe 200 people at this
200
point.
people. Wow.
I think more.
All right, picking up some briskets at Sam's.
These are just backup.
These are backup for tomorrow in case we get swamped, right?
Right.
Because
I think
have
we
the
can
town
get
of
covered up.
Midland comes,
Yeah.
and San Antonio folks come over.
From everywhere.
We'll make sure that we have enough food right here.
So we got this gentleman hooking us up with some national
beef.
biscuits.
Oh, what are these? Your dessert?
Yes, sir. Peach cobbler.
Peach cobbler. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. This is oven or in the
Oven.
smoker? Okay.
Oven.
So you make this like, and then you put it in the refrigerator so that you serve, or you serve it warm?
No, we do it fresh.
Fresh. Okay. So for this lunch service,
Lunch service.
is Saturday busy usually?
Saturdays are not like Fridays. Fridays is as soon as 11 opens, they're here till
For lunch hour,
1:30.
right? Yeah. Yeah.
Saturdays it's we get rushed and then it slows down. Rush slows down. It's just everybody's relaxing.
Relax.
taking it
Do
easy
people
on Saturday.
work a lot in Midland on Saturdays?
They do.
They do. So
Absolutely.
people, it's a working day for a lot of people.
Yeah.
Because the oil thing is 24/7, right? There's no rest.
No,
It's-
maybe on Sunday.
Maybe on Sunday. Okay, maybe on
And
Sunday.
even then, I mean, people are still working on
Yeah.
Saturdays.
Are you guys open Sunday?
No.
No. Good. Thank goodness you get one
Yeah.
day to rest.
We got days Sunday for rest and then Mondays also.
Monday's also
Yeah.
good. Good. Yeah. They have to have a good work-life balance.
Yeah.
And then Junior, of course, he's the one of the few pitmasters I know with life size cut out of himself. You can come here and get your picture taken with Junior. Right, like me, I'm gonna get my picture taken with Junior. Yeah.
Alright,
Okay. Show your moves, okay? Okay. So, yeah, okay.
Tap when it hurts.
The restaurant here.
Do the style real quick.
The what? It is a choke, right? It's a choke.
Oh yeah.
Jennifer's third degree brown belt, going on to be a black.
Wow. Okay. So you can
I'm
kick.
4th degree brown belt, about to be black belt.
Oh yeah,
you can
4th
kick
degree.
butt.
That's
So
it.
you
Yeah.
can really kick butt. Put the family in this place. That's how it should be. No, you can put now on your shirt. I will kick your butt.
Yeah, that's a
You
good.
should make your shirt.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, the Urias family will kick your butt in 2 ways, right?
Dude, that's good.
Kick your butt in the smoker, and we kick your butt out in the street. Sausage coming off the line.
See, we already got 3 cars ready. We're gonna let Jennifer do the prayer, but I just want to say thank you, Harry, for coming all the way from California and visit us and hang out with us on this special day. You also, Wes, driving your motorcycle. I don't know how many miles, but yeah, a lot of miles. So, anyways, I want to start with that, and I'll let Jennifer finish.
Okay. Heavenly Father, thank you for this day. Thank you for this crew. Thank you for having Harry and Wes here with us. Thanks for allowing us to celebrate this day with being Junior Urias Day. First, we got to get through our service here. Help us to serve our customers with smiles on our faces and quickly so they don't have to sit in the heat. Thank you for all you do.
Let's go
We
ring
love
the
you.
bell, Harry.
Amen.
Ring the bell, let's
Amen.
Texas toast from Junior's crew here. Okay, alright. Delicious, crunchy, a little buttery, and perfect white bread. Just perfectly toasted. We have some Junior's beans. Is it mac and cheese?
It's hatch mac and cheese,
Potato salad.
potato salad, and mac salad,
Mac
macaroni salad.
So 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, right? And then
Oh, yeah.
little poppers as a little
Poppers,
appetizers.
chicken, sausage.
So 4 meats and 4 sides.
Pork belly.
Wow, pork belly like a brisket, man. This is the bomb here.
Right
the entire
here.
slab of pork belly cooked like a brisket.
Look at this.
Look at that. Whoa, man. Oh, that's mine? Okay. Whoa.
Sure.
Look at that. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Here we go. Wow. Crazy good, man. It's so good. This is so good.
Crazy,
Crazy,
good, right?
crazy ass good. If you never tried to cook pork belly like a brisket, you definitely need to do that because I don't know why all the restaurants in Texas don't serve this, because this will be a killer seller. Once people get a bite of this crazy good pig belly, it's gonna be a sellout. I mean, I honestly think that this is the next sleeper hit.
Pork and meal is a brisket and pork belly sandwich that we created here, and it is very crazy good because if you're indecisive on what you want to eat, brisket or pork, this is the way to do it. We do about a half a pound on a sandwich.
That's a very generous 8 ounces, right? On the sandwich.
Oh yeah.
Wow, look at that. Whoa, man, that's a killer sandwich right here.
Look at that.
Whoa, that's food porn right there. Fantastic. Mark,
Butter. 1, 2.
you use real butter?
They were saying one bread.
Real butter.
Grandma, you guys make your pickles here?
We make all of our own pickles, and we make all of our own onions.
Onions, you slice them here.
Every bit of it.
Okay.
And then we put our own sauce on them to make them pickly or make the onions taste superb.
We're doing the pastrami.
Big
I
pastrami,
need a drink.
and your drink here. So, alright, man. See, this is a pitmaster assistant, true and true. Get some chicken wings on my chicken wrap coming up.
So don't get on me, Hank, why do you drink? Hank, why do you roll smoke? And why must you live out the songs that you wrote? Over and over, everybody makes my predictions. Now if I get stoned and sing all night long, it's a what? Family tradition. Yes, sir. Get y'all drunk tonight. Lordy, I am very proud of my Yeti filled with this cold beer. Lately trying to kill me since 1973. When that doctor asked me, son, how'd you get in this condition? I said, hey, soft bones, I'm just carrying on an old family tradition. Said, don't get on me, Hank, why do you drink? Hank, why do you roll smoke? Why must you live out the songs that you wrote? Stop being thinking over.
It's the first time I'm having a
Just put yourself in my redneck position. Now if I get stoned and sing all night long, well, it's a family tradition. Yes, sir. Yeah, and I got friends in low places. Damn, y'all are rowdy. I love it.